In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Polly on Slack to create quick polls and surveys. If you want a fast and simple way to collect feedback from your team without leaving Slack, Polly is a great tool for the job. It lets you create interactive polls right inside a channel, which makes it perfect for team decisions, quick check-ins, or gathering opinions in real time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a poll and where to see the results once your team starts voting. To get started, open your Slack workspace and navigate to the channel where you want to post your poll. Make sure you're in the correct conversation before you begin, since the poll will appear directly in that channel for everyone there to see and respond to. Once you're in the right place, click into the message box and type /Polly, then press the spacebar. This activates the Polly app command inside Slack and prepares the poll format for you. If it's your first time using it, just take a moment to make sure the command appears correctly before moving on. Next, type your poll question inside quotation marks. This is important because Polly uses the quotation marks to identify the exact question you want to ask. Try to keep your question short and clear so team members can understand it quickly and respond without confusion. After that, enter your answer choices, placing each one inside its own set of quotation marks immediately after the question. This tells Polly which options should appear in the poll. Be sure each answer choice is distinct and easy to read. Clear choices help people vote faster and make your results more useful. When everything looks correct, press enter to send the message. As soon as you do, Polly will automatically generate the interactive poll right in the Slack channel. Your team can then click on their preferred option and submit a vote directly from the poll, which keeps the whole process quick and convenient. As votes start coming in, you can view the results in real time directly in the thread. This makes it easy to monitor participation and see how responses are changing as more team members weigh in. It's especially helpful when you need a quick team decision or want instant feedback during a discussion. And that's all it takes to create a quick poll with Polly in Slack. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.